happening right now. Judgment Day could come this afternoon for this man who's accused of murdering a 5-year-old boy in Buffalo. This is a case that left a family devastated and a community in shock. A jury could reach a verdict sometime today in the trial of Matthew Kudzil. News 4's Ed Dranch was in court all morning. He is live for us downtown. Ed?
Hi, Jordan. This case is now in the jury's hands. Judge Christopher Burns charging the jury just after 11 o'clock this morning, and now they will decide Matthew Kudzil's fate. Before court started, though, Ian Brooks' grandmother, Robin Hart, shared an emotional moment with a Buffalo police detective. She handed him a picture of Ian, so he would always be remembered. During closing arguments, both the prosecution and the defense spent hours trying to convince the jury that Kudzil is or is not guilty of the depraved indifference murder of a child charge and sexual assault. Prosecutor Jim Barnese told jurors, quote, "No one is saying Kudzil intended to murder Ian Brooks, but when you crack a 5-year-old's skull, that's reckless conduct when he's aware of the risk and disregarded it." But Kudzil's defense attorney, Robert Cutting, he argued the evidence proves otherwise. He read text messages shared between the boy's mother and Matthew Kudzil from the day Ian Brooks was killed. They were, quote, lovey-dovey. Cutting argued there was no way Kudzil would allow a boy to lay dying while text messaging about dinner and dessert. Prosecutors disagree, however, and said that's when Kudzil was priming the boy's mother, who was not home at the time, for news that Ian Brooks was seriously hurt and later died. They say Kudzil let Ian Brooks sit for hours before trying to get any sort of help. Right now, the jury has the case, and they will rule one way or another whether they believe Matthew Kudzil is guilty of that second-degree murder charge and the sexual assault charge. They can rule guilty on one charge, not guilty on another charge. That is still to be decided throughout the day, and we'll keep you updated on News 4 and have an update for you tonight on News 4 at 5 and 6. We're live downtown this afternoon. Ed Dranch, News 4 at noon.
Ed, thank you.